Now that you've started to use your membership, we would like for you to take advantage of all the site has to offer. In addition to the great savings and earning opportunities through our shopping portal, there are also amazing and exclusive benefits that can improve your life and provide you with big savings. Whether you have a medical question, need an exam, prescription, or you want to develop a personalized fitness and nutritional routine, the Doctor on Call is your answer, providing you telemedicine services with online physicians, online health assessments, a nurse hotline, an online health information library, and online fitness and nutrition information to help you on your path to good health. Identity theft can destroy your credit and ruin your good name. ID Preserve will provide you with the tools, information, and resources to keep you one step ahead and protect you from the devastating impact of identity theft. Save thousands of dollars per year with Premier Savings Network. Sign up now for discounts at over 350,000 local merchants, 350 national retailers, 200 gift card brands, and more, all in one place. Find rock-bottom prices on a wide selection of quality merchandise, and also receive grocery coupons and popular restaurant and fast food discounts. With so many choices, there's something for everyone. Movie tickets to merchandise. Are you ready to save big every day? Your Everyday Discounter membership includes many benefits designed to give you peace of mind while saving you time and money. Benefit Aid Select is a discounted health savings program that saves members and their families money in more than 18 areas, including dental, vision, prescriptions, telehealth, pet care, labs, and long-term elder care. With all these great money-saving benefits, you can see there are many ways to save and earn with your shopping portal. Select the benefits that best suit your needs and start saving today.